In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search within YouTube playlists for specific videos. If you've ever saved a bunch of videos into a playlist and then struggled to find one particular video later, this walkthrough is for you. I'll show you what you can and can't do inside YouTube playlists, and a couple of tricks to make finding videos easier. First, open your browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can see all of your own playlists. Once you're on the main YouTube homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In that sidebar, you'll see a list of options like Home, Subscriptions, and so on. Find and click on the Playlist section there. This will take you to a page that shows all the playlists associated with your account. On this playlist page, scroll through until you see the playlist you want to search within. This might be something like a learning playlist, a music collection, or a set of saved tutorials. Click directly on that playlist. You'll now see a preview of the playlist, usually with the current or first video on the left, and a list of all videos in that playlist on the right-hand side. To manage and view this playlist more clearly, you'll want to open the full playlist page. On the right-hand side, above the list of videos, you should see the title of the playlist. Click on that title. This opens a dedicated playlist view where all the videos are displayed in a single list. At the top of that list of videos, you'll notice a drop-down menu that might say Manual or show a sort option. Click on this drop-down. Here, YouTube lets you sort the videos in your playlist in a few different ways. You can sort them by the date they were added, either oldest first or newest first. You can also sort by most popular, which brings the videos with the highest view counts to the top. And you can sort by the date published, again, either from oldest to newest or the other way around. Now, one important limitation. Regular playlists on YouTube don't have their own dedicated search bar. You can't type a keyword and search just inside that single playlist. The only list on YouTube where you get a built-in search bar is your watch history. In your watch history, there is a search box that lets you type in keywords and filter only the videos you've previously watched. So when you're dealing with playlists, your best options are to use sorting to narrow things down and then scroll through the list, or rely on your watch history search if you know you've watched the video before.